But Michigan, Heather just mentioned Michigan, Paul. I mean, should this be realistically described as a rebuilding year for Michigan?
I don't think so, Greeny. I think they have, on the defensive side, a good enough team to be a playoff team. I think the schedule is not their friend, so they're going to have to pull an upset. The second week of the season, Texas comes in there, and everybody knows we spent last week talking about Sarkisian and Texas. That's a game they probably need to win to get far along, because there's a couple of games they're not going to win. So I think for Michigan, they're 10-2 will get them in, 9-3, and it's going to be a long Saturday night on Selection Sunday weekend.
All right, we will have again.